good, YouTube? It's your boy Andres, and as you can tell by the title, today we are replacing the front grille on my Audi S5, and obviously by the title you can tell that I am installing the RS Style Grille. The grille itself does not have the badges on it, so I did buy open up here, just a typical chrome Audi badge for the grille, as well as a blacked out S5 badge to replace the chrome S5 badge. I got the gloss black on black RS Style Grille, so that's gonna look sick. So let's just open it up and see how it looks. I'm using a screwdriver right now to open this up. If it'll cut through this tape. Yeah, there we go. Hope I don't damage the actual grille doing this. It looks like it's coming out. And I think the box should be open from there. And yep. So you just pull the grille out. And there it is. That all the shit's flying away. See if we can unwrap this grille without damaging it with one hand. Like so. Really not trying to damage it. So take it out. I guess these are a few accessories that come with the grille. So European style license plate holder. So that's pretty cool, I guess. I'm gonna take the grille out, take the accessories out, pretty much put them together, put the Audi badge as well as the S5 badge on the grille, and I'll come back once everything's put together. So unfortunately I do have some bad news. As I was attempting to put the grille together, put all the badges on before I install it, the S5 badge on the actual grille, the backing does not fit the hex grill, but yeah, I think this backing's for an optic grill rather than a hex grill, so it won't actually fasten to the grill itself. So I contacted the company who I bought that off of. They said they're gonna send me the backing for the badge today. So kind of sucks that I can't install it today, but it doesn't really matter for you guys because by the time you see this, the grill would already be on. So I'm just gonna have to wait a few more days for that to come in. It happens. Just a little update, they did end up sending me the right base for the hex grill. Got little fasteners right there, but they didn't send me the S5 letters. They sent me just a blank base. So I'm still waiting for that. This company really sucks. Finally, after 2 weeks of owning the grill, I finally have it all together. I was missing this piece, but I finally have it. About to install it right now. I cannot be any more excited. I have some towels set up. I'm actually not going to show the actual install, but just so you guys know, if you do plan on installing your own RS Style Grille, all you have to do is there's a few nuts in the lining. There's 4 down the front bumper right there, and then a few more nuts on the other side of the lining. Make sure when you take it out to unplug your fog lights, or else it could damage the wiring. But I literally just woke up, but I will see you guys when it's installed. Alright, it's the next day. I wanted to wait to finish this video because I finished up a little late last night. So the video quality wouldn't be as good because it'd be recording in the dark, but it's completely on. Shout out my boy Ian, he really helped out a lot. I'm gonna link his Instagram down in the description below. Huge thanks to him for helping me out and getting this grill on here. So yeah, let's take a look.